Hi, welcome back to my shop. It's been a long time moving from the UK back here to the States. I'm finally starting to get settled in, and today I'd like to show you how to make a tea cake stand. You'd often find these at an afternoon or high tea. They usually are 2 or 3 tiers and made out of fancy plates. You're going to need 3 plates. You can use a matching pattern, or you can switch it up and use a different pattern for each tier. You'll also need a cake stand hardware set. You can find these online on Amazon or eBay. Just search for cake stand fittings or cake stand hardware. They come in all sorts of different styles: gold, silver, different shapes, different colors. I'll put some links down in the description. So you can see here we've got the 3 different segments. It also comes with some washers and some screws. You'll also need a glass or tile drill bit. They're usually tungsten carbide or diamond coated. You want one that's just slightly larger diameter than the diameter of the screw that's on your cake hardware set. Some masking tape, and of course an electric drill for the drill bit. And it doesn't hurt to have a ruler and a pen and stuff so we can mark things out. What do you say, Alan? You ready to get started? The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to put some masking tape on approximately the center of the plate. That way we can mark out the center and we'll be able to drill the hole. Next, I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to mark the center. I'm going to do this from a couple different angles. That way I make sure I'm right on the money. That looks good. I'm going to repeat this step for the other size plates. There we go. And for the final plate. All right, that looks pretty close. Now that I've got all 3 of the holes marked out, I can go ahead and drill them. I've got the drill bit chucked up in my drill. I'm going to start on center, and I'm going to use very, very light pressure. If you press down too hard, you stand the risk of cracking the plate. Just let the drill do the work. So here's all 3 of our plates with the holes drilled. One note, you have to be careful as you start to come through the back of the plate. You have to reduce your back pressure on the drill, otherwise you'll have some chip out. If you just keep a nice even light pressure, you'll get a nice clean hole. Now for assembly. First, take the screw that came with your kit, add the metal washer, followed by one of the foam washers. Insert this through the bottom of your biggest plate. Add 1 more foam washer on top, and then screw on the first tier. Turn it over and use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to make it nice and snug. Next, take one of the foam washers, put it on top of the tier, add your next plate, another foam washer, and then screw on the next section. Just make it snug. For the final tier, again, add the foam washer, your plate, the final foam washer, and then your topper. Again, you want it to be snug, but you don't want to break anything. And there you have it, 1 3-tier tea cake stand. Well, this concludes my project for today. Thanks for coming into my shop and working with me. These tea cake stands can make a really nice addition to your china for any brunch or party you might host. What you doing there, Alan? They're very easy to make. You can customize them however you want to suit your needs, either 2 or 3 tiers. You can mix and match old plates for any design you want. Check out the links down in the description for the hardware and also the drill bits. I hope you have a wonderful day and make one for yourself. Take care.